And our next competitor, Aaron Raven, is now going to risk his life in a bid to become the phenomenon. He's about to play a potentially lethal game of Russian roulette. We have an ambulance and paramedics standing by and a warning. This is incredibly dangerous. Under no circumstances should you try this at home. I'd also like to ask the audience at this moment to remain silent throughout this demonstration. Here's Aaron. Good luck.
If you've ever cheated death, you know. You appreciate the thrill of just being alive. I've been there. Tonight, I'm going back. And you're coming with me. 6 pneumatic nail guns, each capable of shooting a nail over 500 miles per hour, smashing through 2 inches of solid wood. Or 8 inches of skull and brain. 1 cartridge of 2-inch nails. Just checking that's empty. Don't try this at home. This is not the proper use of a nail gun. I'm going to blindfold myself so I can't see what you're doing, Carmen. I want you to touch each and every nail gun and place the nails into the chamber of 1 and continue touching each other nail gun after you're done so we don't know which one you've loaded. Don't touch the trigger and don't close the chambers. Tell me when you're done. Are you done?
Not yet. Done.
Okay. Quickly going from right to left, close the chambers of each one of the guns. Remember the number of the loaded nail gun.
Right to left?
Yes, please. And when you're done, come join me on my left, please. Thank you. I'm going to blindfold you because people tend to stop me at the critical moment. Carmen, for the sake of our audience, have we ever met before?
No.
Would you swear under oath that you're the only person that knows which nail gun is loaded?
Absolutely.
I want you to think about that loaded weapon and a loud monotone voice count from 1 to 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ladies and gentlemen, did she give it up? Could you intuit which gun was loaded? Would you bet your life on that guess? Let's listen again. Carmen, in that same monotone voice, I want you to count from 6 back to 1.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're left with guns 4, 5, and 6. Would you count from 4 to 6, please?
4, 5, 6.
We're left with 4 and 6. Would you say 4 and 6?
4 and 6.
One more time.
4 and 6.
Thank you very much.